Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can respond to alarms, alerts, and incoming calls by tapping instead of swiping on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Now you can see that if I receive an incoming call, so just give myself a call now, and now I can answer the call by simply tapping on the green button. This will allow me to quickly answer incoming call instead of swiping. Now to turn it on, first swipe down at the top and open up the quick settings menu. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Then go down and tap on interaction and dexterity. And at the top here, tap on assistant menu. Make sure assistant menu is switched on. So tap on assistant menu to switch it on. Then tap on allow. Then tap on turn off one-handed mode. Okay, now tap on the left-hand side panel. In here, make sure the replay swipe with single tap is switched on. So make sure this is switched on. Once it is turned on, then we can now answer the call. When we receive an incoming call, we can simply just tap on the green button to answer the call. So here, I will be able to answer the call or reject the call by a single tap. So I will try to get an incoming call. Okay, here I can reject the call by tapping on the reject button or answer the call by tapping on the answer button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.